Hey, I'm trying to hang this floating shelf, and all I have at home are these screws and anchors. Will this work?
Those plastic expansion anchors are usually best for light-duty items like picture frames. For a floating shelf, especially if you want to put books or other heavy things on it, it's much safer to screw directly into wall studs if you can. Otherwise, you might want to consider getting heavy-duty drywall anchors that are rated for more weight. Do you know how much weight you plan to put on the shelf?
I won't be able to put in a stud, so I'm trying to figure out what anchor is best here. When I'm holding the shelf, it feels like 5 to 10 pounds, and I plan to put 2 or 3 plants on there, so it'll maybe end up being 30 to 40 pounds.
Given that you expect up to 40 pounds of total weight, the current plastic anchors aren't recommended. Instead, look for heavy-duty drywall anchors rated for that much weight. You could try self-drilling toggle bolts or metal molly bolts, which spread pressure out behind the wall for a more secure hold.